designed home in the heart of Brooklyn, offering the perfect blend of historic charm and modern comfort. Step inside and be greeted by a bright, open-concept living area with high ceilings that create an airy, inviting atmosphere. The spacious living room is perfect for relaxing or entertaining, offering seamless flow into the home's thoughtfully designed spaces. The modern kitchen is a true centerpiece, complete with stainless steel appliances, including a refrigerator, oven, dishwasher, and microwave. Each bedroom is warm and inviting, highlighted by beautiful wooden flooring that adds natural texture and sophistication. Additional highlights include in-unit laundry, a peaceful neighborhood setting, and a spacious yard that's perfect for outdoor enjoyment. This home combines timeless style with modern amenities, a rare opportunity to experience Brooklyn living at its best. Reach out today to learn more about how to make 225 Wyckoff Street your new home.